We all love a related list for displaying information, but with a sign request, you usually only have the one document that is signed per record. So having to go into a list of one to see if the signer had opened the document, for instance, could be improved. So we did. This is the sign request info component, and I'll show you how to set it up. At this point, I'm going to send out the sign request and sign it on another screen so you can see that the component updates without having to refresh the page. As you can see, it will pull the familiar colored logos and latest information from the sign request, meaning you don't need to check a sublist before sending that chaser email. And if you do want to see the details, we have a button just for that as well that will take you to the screen. So, to set it up, head to the edit page and select Sign Request Short from the custom components. Drag that onto the page where you want it, and there is just one field to fill in. This field is the lookup field you added to the sign request object. This will always be a custom field, so don't forget the __C. If you are using a custom object or a standard one, the field is always custom. So grab the API name of the field and drop it in here.